Hi, I'm Steve Hoff. I'm with Ultra Dent Tools. I'd like to introduce to you our new multi-tip punch system. This system comes with a series of tips, a tip holder, and 2 handle extensions. Okay, we're going to take our main punch body. The punch body has an outer thread and an inner thread. The inner thread can be used to screw on optional tips onto the top side. For instance, the A36B rubber cap, you could screw that in and actually use that for a hammer, or maybe for knocking down with a metal hammer as the head. It could be used as the head, or you just use the standard hexagonal cap that it comes with. This hexagonal cap has a removable rubber grommet that's installed through a hole. You can simply just push or pull them out. They're interchangeable, replaceable. Anyway, so you would just take your hexagonal cap, screw your cap onto the back side of the punch, the top. Then you're going to take your stainless steel ring. You're going to take the ring and screw it all the way up on there loose. Take your desired tip, screw it into the punch body. Once you get that in there, and then you just torque up on your ring, and now that makes that tip tight inside that punch. This is your standard 4-inch punch. If you want a 5-inch punch, you simply just unscrew the hexagonal cap, take the optional 1-inch extensions that are available. If you wanted a 5-inch punch, you can take the 1-inch, screw that on, take your hexagonal cap, screw it back on. Now you have a 5-inch punch, or a 6-inch if you so desire. So next, we're going to take and use our handle extension as a holder, or a hammer if you will. So I'm going to take and loosen my stainless steel ring, unscrew the tip, take it all the way out, take the stainless ring all the way off. Once you get the ring off, you just take your handle extension, put the handle extension onto the punch, screw the ring back on loosely, put your desired tip back in, screw it all the way in, take your ring, torque your ring up all the way tight, and what that'll do is it's going to tighten the tip and the hammer handle extension. So now you can use that as an extension or a hammer. I'd like to talk about the tips that come in this multi-tip punch kit. You get 6 total tips. First of all, you get a fine point Delrin tip. You get a medium rounded Delrin tip. You get a fine point Ultim tip. You get a standard soft tip that takes the push-on caps, the neoprene or the vinyl. You get a 3/4 inch round soft tip that's a neoprene rubber. And then we've got a new medium flat tip that's like a Dent Wizard style tip, and it's highly polished. It's a little bit rounded on the ends, and it's good for use directly on paint, and it won't mar the paint as long as you keep it highly polished. So you want to keep that separate, away from getting scratched up with the rest of your tools. And that's what comes in the system. Now that I've shown you the multi-tip punch kit, I'd like to introduce to you our lightweight aluminum 3-piece extended hammer punch kit. This kit utilizes the same punch that's in the multi-punch tip kit. All you do is simply take the punch, put it into the end of the hammer handle, tighten the stainless steel ring up onto the punch, leave it somewhat loose, take your desired tip, screw your tip in all the way, take your ring, torque it all the way up onto the punch and the hammer handle. And now you've got a hammer that's can be used as a fine point or a blunt head, whatever tip you decide to screw on either side. And this system comes in an 18, 24, 36 inch. And keep in mind that you can buy these items separately If you wanted to piecemeal something together, you could just simply maybe buy the punch and one handle if you prefer. These items are available at ultradenttools.com.